Hello, fourth graders. This is Mr. A, and we're looking at page 4, writing subjects and predicates. Okay, so we said, or we have learned in the previous lesson, that sentences start with a capital letter and they end with an exclamation mark if they're exclamatory, or with a period if they're statements. And sentences must convey or must show an idea. They have to have an idea. Sentences also have to have two things. They have to have a subject and a predicate. Okay? These are the two parts that make up a sentence. And these two help create meaning. What do I mean by that? Well, the subject, it tells you who or what the sentence is about. And the predicate goes back and tells what is happening or what is about the subject. So, for example, Mr. A's desk is messy. Okay. Who are we talking about in this sentence? Are we talking about messy, or are we talking about Mr. A's desk? The topic of this sentence is about Mr. A's desk. So that is our subject. Okay. Now, is messy, that part is the predicate. It tells us about the subject. It tells us what's going on in the situation that this sentence is describing or giving a fact about. Okay. This is a complete subject because we have more than one word. We have Mr. A's desk. But let's ask ourselves a question. Which is messy, Mr. A's or his desk? And you will figure out that we're talking about the desk, right? So desk is a simple subject. Simple subject is just one word and it's part of the complete subject. Okay. So if we are saying, for example, let's do this. Let's say John's leg is hurting. This is a statement. It's a declarative sentence. So we have to use a period. Now, what is this sentence about? Is it about hurting? Is it about is? Or is it about John's leg? The topic of the sentence is John's leg, right? And now we have to ask ourselves, what is the simple subject? What is the single word that the part of the predicate that says is hurting is describing? Is it describing John? No. Is it describing the leg? Yes. So the leg is the simple subject. Okay. So on page 4 of writing, what's the title? Let's see again. The title is Writing Subjects and Predicates. You are You have the underlined complete subject, but you have to ask yourself, which does the predicate describe? Which word in the complete subject does the predicate describe? All right, so this is a review lesson. I anticipate that you guys will not have a hard time with it. Take your time, just read carefully, make sure you're following the instructions that are on your homework. Thank you, fourth graders, and I'll see you next time.